Today we're making Guyanese one-pot cook-up rice using no peas. If you're a person that don't like peas, this is the perfect recipe for you. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. For the meat, I'll be using some pigtail, beef, and some smoked turkey necks. I also have here some pumpkin and spinach. I have coconut milk, okra. For the rice, I'll be using some parboiled rice. I also have here some seasonings, which are cookup seasoning, seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, black pepper, and I have all my herbs and aromatics here, which I will list in the description box or in the caption. So let's go ahead and flavor up the meat a bit using some complete seasoning and some fresh green seasoning. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Next, we will go ahead and pressure our smoked turkey necks first because that's the toughest one. Pressure that for about 20 minutes and then we will add our pigtail and the beef. Let that go for about 15 minutes. And here to my preheated pot, I will add all my herbs and aromatics. And you'll let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes just to release all of the flavors. Next, we will add the pumpkin, spinach, and the rice. Give it a real good toss and just allow the spinach to wilt a bit. Next, you want to add your meats that have been pressured, and then we will come in with our coconut milk. We will also add some of that broth that the meats were pressured in. And yeah, we'll add some seasoning for flavor and taste. Remember to adjust the seasoning to your own preference. Give that a real good toss. Make sure everything is well combined. And then we'll add some hot peppers in here. We will cover this and let it simmer on medium-low heat until the rice is nice and tender. So the last 5 minutes, you want to add your okra because we don't want to overcook them. And yeah, let this go for an extra 5 minutes and we'll be ready to serve and enjoy. And now that this is all done, we could serve it up and enjoy. Remember, this is a one-pot meal and it has everything in it. You don't really need any sides, but I did serve this up with some fried ripe plantains and a fresh garden salad. It was chef kiss delicious, so rich, flavorful, and amazing. And I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.